Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have so many parcels to open right now and I would like to split it for just two maybe videos. I've got still different underwearing boots and I've got also... I say that I didn't order anything from Zara? And yes, this happens and I did place the order with Zara. I didn't find nothing special, but I've been looking for a nice long blazer in the black color with the belt. So I found one. I found actually two, but I think that this which one I've got will be better. And I want to just create really unique look, very elegant, and I hope I will make it. So for now, today I'm wearing the blue colors because something inside this box will be blue. That's why I just create this outfit today. And yeah, so let's open this box. It is quite heavy and this came to me from France. So whole outfit, it is just beige and blue colors. I really love the combination of the beige and blue, also brown with blue. This is my favorite combination with the blue colors. So I really like it. I think if someone has, for example, the brown hair, these colors could be also really nice. With the black hair, I can't really imagine this. Probably blue with the white color will be more interesting, but so far, yeah, I'm wearing today the beige Casadei boots, my blue paradise leggings, because this is just the blue leggings that I got. The other blue things, they are just the jeans and things like that. So yeah, and just my nice top with the purse. This is very nice and soft one. I really like it. It is nice and soft, and I really love this beige color that match really good with the beige Casadei boots. So let's make the proper unboxing. Oh my god. It's so beautiful box inside. I didn't know. Look at this beautiful picture and also blue, and it is so nice. She should wear boots, nice and long. It should be more elegant outfit, in my opinion. So this looks like this. This box is just very hard to just throw out. I really like it. So this shop, it is the 24S. This is kind of shop that it is similar to Farfetch, My Teresa, Louisa Via Roma, or things like that. But this is just a shop from France, and all I can say, they've got, for example, with the My Teresa or Louisa Via Roma, you won't get any Louis Vuitton, for example, things, but in this shop you will. So in this small tiny box from Paris with love, oh my god. I hope that one day I will visit Paris. Everything you will get from tags, everything it is brand new. So this is the return label, so you can place the return. This box, it is quite damaged. I don't know, the glue, it isn't too good. But okay, it's just a box. This box is also nice. This is like a magnetic closed on here. So the Louis Vuitton. Yes, I was really a little bit disappointed about the Louis Vuitton in Italy, because in Italy I thought that I will buy a handbag or something, and actually they didn't have any nice belts, they didn't have any handbags below 2,000 euro, they didn't have actually nothing super cool. So I just bought a scarf, because scarf it is something that I will be wearing always, and yeah, so I found this handbag on the website, on exactly this website, 24S, and this handbag, it is nice and blue. This blue color, it is so good, and I can tell you something, in the future it's gonna be the blue boots, blue leather boots, and I will complete the outfit with the blue color. It is very beautiful. I really love when the handbag match the, for example, coat or blazer or the tops. It is really good. Handbag can match the boots, or handbag can match, for example, your I don't know, jumper. I love blue color, and I think with this blue color so many things will match. Okay, we've got inside a certificate and everything. Probably we got the chip inside. The back, it is original. Really cool. I will show you closer. Handbag, I think this is actually the camera bag, but it is really big enough to fit everything what I need. It is really big handbag, like if I have to compare to the other ones. I really like it. I like the gold details on it. This is really high quality. The big logo, it is also fantastic. I really love this. Very beautiful, colorful, something different. It will be very nice bag for the summertime, to summer outfit, also for the spring, for actually every season. And it is very well made. The leather, it is really good, and I really like it. It is very nice handbag. And this cost about 1,600 euros, so much below 2,000. I think handbag is like I said, big enough. It is really nice. The strap with the chain, it isn't too long, because sometimes the camera bags, they have really long straps, and these handbags are just over here. But it's too long and looks funny. And I really like it. It is really good with the blue colors. I think with the white colors will be also great. With the beige color, if for example I will wear just the blue jumper and beige coat, I can wear to match the jumper this blue handbag, and it will be also really cool. So I like it. It is really beautiful. Very cool handbag. We can wear it just like this. We can wear this bag for the more casual outfits. This is not actually elegant handbag, but we can just style it with the blazer, and it's gonna be something like between the casual and elegant style. So I'm very happy. It is very nice. The Sharon and everything, it is so good. This color, it is really something that I love. Okay, so this is it in this quick video. This is all about the just unboxing of my new handbag, and I hope that you like it. Please let me know what your colors combination is your favorite. Maybe this is just the black colors, or maybe you like the blue color just like me. I think it is nice. I like much more the blue colors than green. For me, the green colors looks really good with the ladies with the, for example, black hair. But so far, I really love this. So once again, thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.